Now let's add our outdoor kitchen. Under the Landscape tab, go to Accessories and open up the menu. Now there's a lot of different accessories in here, from arbors, trellises, fencing, fireplaces, furniture, outdoor kitchens, just basic kitchen equipment. And then if you go to Unilock tab, you'll see that we've got the Barcelona fireplaces, we've got Tuscany, we've got some grill islands, we've got sink attachments, and we've also got some pre-built kitchen islands. So let's just select kitchen island number 3 here, and we'll place that into place, and that matches our limestone theme. And so what we need to do is position that properly. So we go to Plan View, and then we can rotate this and get it right to the edge of our patio nicely. Once we've positioned it, we can drag it right into place and even refine it a little bit further. Sometimes those minute adjustments are a little challenging, and you can always adjust the patio here afterwards. If you edit points, you can bring your patio into here to tighten that up. And we can also bring the patio to this end here, which means we'll have to make an adjustment on this side to make sure that that still looks good. And that's good. We'll edit points, and we'll adjust this patio, edit points. It's just so much adjustment that you can do. That's ideal. Now go back to perspective view, and you can go around and take a look at our outdoor kitchen here. We've got our brick oven, we've got our grill, got a sink. But we're going to need a little patio area in here. So back to our plan view, and we'll zoom right in, and then we'll use our building patio tool, and we'll go in and quickly build a patio. Put one here and here, here, and then we'll wrap it up here, and we've got our patio. Now remember, with these borders, if you want to eliminate some of these double borders, you can always do that, and with the edit border tool. We can go back to perspective to see how that looks and feels. We obviously, because of the overhang of the coping in plan view, it's difficult sometimes to get it right in the corners. When that happens, I just go to edit points, and I just do it visually right into the corners, nice and tight, and do the same over here, and then you've got it all nicely cleaned up. Click off on edit points, and now you've got your grill island. Still got a bit of a gap here. We can choose to move the grill island in a bit.